Coming up in this video,
It kind of feels like Play-Doh. That's what it feels like.
Hi guys, I'm Kaylee and today we will be unboxing something super exciting. Today we have a unicorn slime. I can't wait to see what's inside. Wow, that's a lot. I kind of want all these now. Ooh, containers. Okay, that's the lids. We have the containers. Glitter. Ooh, and charms. And then we have they each look like they're a different type of slime. Alright, alright. Are they all cloud slime? Yeah, they're all cloud slime. We got the yellow and purple one. The yellow, blue, and pink. The green, orange, and pink. This one looks like neon. This one looks neon. Green, pink, and blue. Let's start. Right, they come with glitter and some cute charms. Let's see. So we got the white unicorn, the blue unicorn, the pink unicorn, and a rainbow. It's these slimes. It also came with snow powder, but I'm not sure what to do with it. They don't come with any instructions, so I'm just gonna mix some slimes. I'll start with this one. Come on. Oh, that was easy. What is this? Are they scented? Oh, they're scented. Oh. It kind of feels like Play-Doh. That's what it feels like. Alright, I'm probably gonna open them all and then decide what to mix with each other. So, this one kind of feels like Play-Doh. It kind of smells like something like I don't know what it smells like. It's hard for me to describe it. Look what happened to my hands. But it smells like vanilla. Okay, now I'll move on to... Oh my god, I can't open it. My hand's sticky. This one kind of feels different, I guess. Wait, let me feel the other one. Yeah, this one's more hard-ish. I can't even get it out. Ow. I don't know what to do. Alright, this is the same texture as the other one, you know, Play-Doh-ish, and this one. Their smell is like, I don't like it. I don't know how to describe it. It's vanilla, but it has like something else, like some off smell to it. Well, let me add it to over here. Get this out. No, I'm saying that with a lot of them, but this thing looks like a watermelon. Oh.
A few moments later.
Please don't be hard to get out. Can't. You know what? I'm gonna use this maybe to help me. I can't even get the rest out. Still got another color. You know how I said the other one was vanilla with a chemical smell? This is only chemical smell. This smells so bad. Why do I smell it again? My nose is burning. Alright, now let's mix and match them and add some snow powder and glitter to make our own slime. It's vanilla, but with like a chemical smell. I can't even like stretch it. This doesn't really like the pink from this slime. Oh, wait. Oh, do you see that? With some of the yellow from the slime. It cuts so easily. I don't understand. Slime isn't meant to be like this.
and mix them together. I can't even mix them together. I don't like this, but I'm doing this for you guys. It like turned yellow. Things starting to turn orange. Kind of want to add some glitter. Oh man, this is gonna be messy. Ugh. I don't like this. The other slime on the last video is definitely better. This was freaking almost like $20 for all this. This, I don't like this. This does not feel good. I do not like this. Look at my hands. Alright, well, I guess I'm done with that one. Oh, my hand smells so bad. Alright, so that did not feel good. So now I might just add the snow. Thank you, a different. I think this is too much. Got this. This fit in here? Nope. I feel so. Why does it feel so wrong? You're not supposed to cut slime. Okay. I think this is good. I got these both are from the same slime. Good. What does this make it do though? Did you hear that? It just spilled all out of the slime. I feel like I should just save these charms and glitter for different slimes, because this. So this is this other slime I made. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and rate it now. So, touch. 1. A 1. This does not feel good, and it makes your hands feeling gross. But I will keep it, because we paid a lot of money for it. And then for smell, a 3, because one of them, like only one of them smells good, which was the vanilla one. Overall enjoyment, 1.5, but I'm still gonna put these. Well, I do not like this. Well, that's my experience with this slime. If you've ever had this slime, please feel free to comment down below. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Next video, we will be teaching you how to make slime from scratch.